I'm Roger Hanlon, and I'm a senior scientist at the Marine Biological Laboratory. The most recent question that has mesmerized us is camouflage and what we call rapid adaptive camouflage. And what my lab is trying to do is to quantify camouflage. No one's done it before, we're trying. The animal group on the planet that has the best camouflage and the fastest changing camouflage happen to be the cephalopods: squid, octopus, cuttlefish. Around the eye. Now the pattern develops right in here. And then we watch the smooth outline of the body. Pops up beautifully. We've now published 30 experimental journal papers in the last 10 years with 800 animals in the lab, and we have given them all kinds of backgrounds, and it's enabled us to understand the algorithm, sort of the formula that they use to look at complex backgrounds and make a decision to camouflage. And guess how fast they do it? In a fraction of a second. Beautiful animal, very healthy. Yeah. Great change in the patterning. Just look at this. They do all that visual information, processing, decision making, and they put the pattern on in as short as 200 milliseconds. They've done what a supercomputer would have difficulty doing. And they're doing it with that cuttlefish brain. So how does that brain work? That's what we're after. We found that these cuttlefish and octopus only have 3 basic pattern designs that they produce that creates camouflage in every environment against a full range of predators. It means that our animals have evolved a pattern repertoire that is exploiting a visual weakness in all predator visual systems. That is a cool idea. Camouflage only needs to deceive the visual system looking at it. So the MBL has a very rich history in vision. Of folks like George Wall and others who have really looked at the photopigment, the chemical side of how light comes into a retina, and the pigments are actually transducing light energy into a neural signal. And now we're looking at a more integrative approach. So we're trying to connect molecules in cells to whole organisms, to brain decisions, to ecology. And I think this is the future of science, because you're never going to understand any one system unless you understand how it operates in its natural environment. And then you can begin to tease out the mechanisms that they're using and ask the bigger questions of why are they doing that. And that continuum from sensory input to brain decision to motor output to a behavior, that's like the holy grail of neuroscience.